Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how you can know if you are restricted on Messenger. So let me show you the steps you can follow. The first one is lack of active status and read receipts. You won't be able to see their active status like active now or active X minutes ago. And your messages to them will likely stay marked as sent and don't show the profile icon under it, indicating they have seen it even if they are active elsewhere. And when you try to call them, they might not ring through or they might not answer. Your messages might go to in their message request folder instead of their main box, and they may not receive the notifications of your messages. And there's one thing, if you suddenly can't see their profile picture or any recent updates, it could be a sign, and they might not be able to see your stories or other comments. So yeah, this is how you can know if they have blocked or restricted you on Instagram or Messenger. Both are the same. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.